This is in short with Mduma Basu. Hayi ngisazokhuluma nje ngibeze lilini. Niyongithuka nize niyeke. Nginitshela amaqiniso. By the way, I'm just preparing you so that when the worst comes for your hero, uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ningethuki. Nisho nithi loya baba omumbi washo wayikhuluma lela khehla leliyana eligulayo layisho lento. Ngifuna ukuyivala lento kaNhlanhla ngoba iyangiyanyisa. uNhlanhla isiphukuphuku. Uyazi ukuthi wafakwa uMalema ngekhanda. uMalema phela waqala wathi uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi should be the National Commissioner of South Africa. Wamncoma wakuthwala ekhanda ke naye. uNhlanhla is an agent of the highest bidder. Uyabona umuntu omnika imali, uNhlanhla goes with him and he is prepared to do anything just ukuthi aphize whoever omnika imali. Indaba kaNhlanhla ayiqali manje. uNhlanhla phela kade afela kweprovince. Kwamane kwaqalwa i-National Task Team le edila nama-political killings. Hayi waqala washintsha umuntu. Yayihamba kahle kabi sela kwiprovince kuphela. Kwanelwa ngena uNational. Kwaqala manje-ke bafihla ama-files. Babopha abantu ababe nobufakazi obuqanda ikhanda ngabantu ababebulala ama-politicians. Ngoba bevikela ama-politicians aye-implicated anamagama la kwe-ANC. So i-ANC is rotten to the core. There is nothing you can do with the ANC except out of the ANC or outside the ANC. Which is why uZuma heeded to an advice. Endala, I once advised him to say, Baba, there is nothing you can do ngaphakathi kwe-ANC because everything under the name of ANC is rotten to the core. Angishiyeke ANC ngoba ayikho in the ANC. ANC is a project abayidaphunela nje abelungu, babafaka imali emaphaketheni, baphusha i-agenda ye-whiteness. Now kake ngibuye uNhlanhla lo wenu-ke. uNhlanhla-ke lo nimthwele ngeqoma. Uyabhayiza. What I can say to him ukuthi lo mgodi ayimbela wona sekusondela ukuthi ube u6 feet. Ngiyaniprepare because very soon uNhlanhla uzongcwatshwa. Ake ngiqale nje la. Uyabona lo Senzo Mchunu amshaya national wamkhipha ekubini uminister. Unefile enzima kabi kaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Enzima kabi. Esazoqhamuka ke sibone phela le commission uma izowenza umsebenzi wayo ukuthi who is culprit number 1. Culprit number 1 uBhekicele. Number 2 uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ake ngitshele nje ke igameko engingazazi. Do you know ukuthi ukuboshwa kaZuma uNhlanhla is implicated? uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi is implicated because imandate yokubulala uZuma yathi uma icabinet or ikhabali ithatha who carried it on was uBhekicele as a national commissioner. I-protocol ke yasephoyiseni ithi that mandate needs to be given to a provincial commissioner which is uNhlanhla yokuthi uZuma kabulawe. Wayithatha uNhlanhla, ran with it uNhlanhla. uZuma wazobulawa kwi-province, not at the national level, at the provincial level. Who okayed that, who commissioned it, is the commissioner, which is uNhlanhla, ukuthi uZuma uma engaboshwa, uma engayanga ukuyozisubmita yena ejele uyabulawa. As a result, aphuma amaphoyisa iy'nkabi lezi engamaphoyisa zikhishwa uNhlanhla ukuthi zobulala uZuma 12:01 uZuma ufethe afe on the day azibophisa ngalo. Ithi-ke imandate-ke u-provincial commissioner kumele axhumane no-regional commissioner. Engicabanga ukuthi ngisho isibongo angasisho ukumprotecta. u-regional commissioner okuyena ke oba direct kwi-locality yaphuma imandate ukuthi uZuma uyobulawa. Inkosi yami lamaqiniso anzima kakhulu. Then u-regional commissioner wahamba waya kubaba, baba bazokubulala sebephumile, hamba baba uyozibophisa, hamba baba uyozibophisa, hamba uyozibophisa. Provincially isiphumile i-task team eyayobulala uZuma. Manje ngiyawubuka lo mkhonto wesizwe uyayikhalakathelela kukuthi asi-react early, sesiyibukele izinto siyi-analyze siyi-process. Umkhonto wesizwe ufambulile, they fumbled ngokusupport uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi and bazozisola because i-commission izowakhipha wonke amaqiniso ngoNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Bazobe sebethini-ke bona umkhonto wesizwe because umkhonto wesizwe ula izimpi politically but not strategically. Ngoba i-ANC yamane yasupporta uSenzo Mchunu, bavele bagijima bawusupporta-ke bona-ke manje uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi bethatha i-narrative yaseyithradini ye-white media bahamba bayomasha in support of uNhlanhla. Ngicela untshela-ke nina-ke ma-members e-MKP, you fumbled, anikho strategic, i-leadership yomkhonto wesizwe ayi-analyze, iyafambula, ayihlakaniphile. Yet there are individuals within umkhonto wesizwe ahlakaniphile but ayithuka subjected to the stupidity. Nani okwenzani emgwaqeni no-support uNhlanhla? Nimsupport uNhlanhla namapha ama-facts ukuthi lento ayenzayo i-right. Le ingane ayibulalayo ngizokhuluma awukahle u-part 5 lo ngizo-analyze kahle ku-part 6. But umkhonto wesizwe fumbled ukusupport uNhlanhla. uNhlanhla is not worthy of any support. If you know ukuthi uNhlanhla ubani, wenzani uNhlanhla. Umchunu ukuvala i-task team leya investigate ngama-political killings wayi-right because uNhlanhla besebezenzela bebopha amaphoyisa a-investigate kufihlwa ama-docket bebabulala ama-witnesses. So-ke nina ngiyabona nje ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi umchunu uyena owenza i-corruption lapho. Umchunu was against, he was advised, he got a recommendation to close down the national task team. He heeded to the call and he was right by doing so. Hayi-ke uNhlanhla-ke wabona wa-compile a comprehensive report and charges against uNhlanhla. He was about to suspend them, uNhlanhla and them. Wagijima uNhlanhla waya kwi-media. Awubuka i-timing ukuthi uSenzo Mchunu wayidisbanda nini noma ukuyisuspenda i-national task team bese ubuka uNhlanhla ukuthi ugijime nini. Wagijima wayongcwetha uSenzo Mchunu, bamreplace ngoMantashe who is even worse than uSenzo Mchunu. Angazi noma nangezi now lo bufakazi bonke noma kuthiwa siyakhuluma ubani esirepota kuye sisakuye because kwaMantashe ubolile to the core. Uma ngithi mina kwi-ANC there is no leadership, ngizontshela babili kuphela abantu abaselu ku-ANC manje. 2 by my standards, uLindiwe Sisulu noPanyaza, uLindiwe Sisulu noPanyaza. Ngicela ungitshele omunye umholi ocredible olapha kwe-ANC. ANC is leaderless, there's a vacuum, there is no leaders, they are rotten, they are corrupt to the core and i-culture yakhona. So i-episode elandelayo ngizobe ngikhuluma ukuthi uNhlanhla sells abantu to the highest bidder, bese ngimtshela igameko ezimbalwa nje ezikhombisa ukuthi ngichaza ukuthini manje uNhlanhla. If you have got money then it's all systems go. Ayikho lento yenithi uvikela abantu, ayikho lento yenithi ulungisa i-country. Ulungisa yiphi i-country? Uyilungisa ngani? Ngesibhamu. Imaphi ama-cases asebe-successful uNhlanhla that brought them up? All right, this is Mduma Baso of In Short. Watch out for the following episode. Ngizobe ngivula